Good morning. This is Mr. Danzel, and we are going to create our own net worth statement or statement of financial position. I say our own, it's going to be a simulation. You have a person that you are basing this off of, and you're going to create one for them. But you are going to come up with all of the different assets, all the different liabilities, and so on. So these are all the instructions. You have those at your disposal. You'll want to definitely look at those. But I'm going to show you in Excel how to set this up properly. So a net worth statement, you may want to have a heading of some type up here. I'll leave that up to you. But I'm going to come down here and I'm going to start with our assets section. So the assets, as we've learned, there are three different types of assets. There are monetary assets, there are investment assets, and then tangible assets. So, and of course you can resize columns as necessary. So your monetary assets would be like your checking accounts. Investment assets might be your the Nike stock that you have or your 401k. And then tangible assets would be things you can touch, your house, your car, clothing, furniture, things like that. So then of course you would put those balances there. You may want to format these as, you could go currency. I might just go number with 2 decimal places. Nike stock, your 401k. Maybe your house is worth $75,000 and so on. But you're going to list all these assets underneath. As the instructions say, I believe you have to have 10 assets. 10 different assets, and then at least 5 liabilities. So let's go back here. So then you'll have your liabilities section as well. And so since you have a house, you probably have a mortgage. Maybe you still owe $65,000 on that. Maybe you owe $10,000 on a car, and so on. So you're going to list all these things. You're going to come up with all of them on your own. And you're also going to want to do calculations. And you can set this up however you want. Maybe we're going to do a total assets calculation. So maybe we just do a sum function and we add all of our assets together like that. Maybe we're going to do a total liabilities calculation. We add all them together as well. And then we have to do a net worth calculation. Remember, net worth is simply assets minus liabilities. And there you go. Now, something else that the instructions talk about is do some shading, different text formatting. Again, there should be some type of heading, resize the columns, make it look nice. So, right now this is hard to know what's going on. I mean, we can't tell that these are headings, but maybe we shade that heading and make it bold. Maybe we italicize and maybe change the font color or something like that. Make your headings stand out. Do some shading, do some formatting of some type so that we can tell what is going on. But that's what we're doing. You are going to create it however you want. It doesn't have to look like mine, but just set it up so that it looks nice, that it makes sense, that it's organized, and make sure you follow all the requirements in the instructions. Good luck. Talk to you later.